Well, good afternoon and welcome to another video with a guy and his projects. Today we are working on the 2001 Ford F250 Super Duty. It's got the V10 6.8 liter gasser in it, and I like this truck. It's got somewhere around 300,000 miles, not really sure. Somewhere down the line somebody rolled that odometer back, so no way to really know, but based on Carfax reports and whatnot, my guess is we're at about 300,000 miles. Just picked this up a couple weekends ago. There is an issue with it. There's a few issues with it, but simplistic, easy fix, super fast issue that is pretty common actually. You've probably seen it, you probably haven't even noticed, is these old cables right here for the tailgate support. When you drop your tailgate down, all the weight is going to sit on the hinge area. And right here where the cable runs from the tailgate to the truck bed, that's where all the weight's getting transferred to. As you can see, this is nice and taut. The problem with that, though, with this one being taut, is this one is not. So I don't know the history. I do know this one visually looks different than this one, so it's a different model, different manufacturer. I don't know if it just came longer, if it's stretched out, if the previous owner put this one on because this one snapped and they replaced it but didn't replace this one. They're super cheap, very, very cheap. You might as well just replace them both because, like right now, I'm 215 pounds give or take depending on lunch, and I'm sitting on this, and this is freaking tight, okay? This is loose, which means all my weight, all of my 215 pounds is getting transferred to this little point right here, which means you put anything heavier on or you put any weight on this corner and your tailgate's going to tweak a little bit, and it's going to make it harder to close and open and close and open. Do that several times, it's going to become quite a pain in the butt. So for only a few dollars, you can get new cables. Just buy them by the set, buy them the pair. It's not a big deal. They're super cheap, super fast to change out, and that's what I'm going to show you today. According to Amazon, this part number from PT Auto Warehouse fits my truck. We're going to verify that here in a minute, but this is part number TC-F00. Nope, that's wrong. This is part number from PT Auto Warehouse TC-F0006012C, made in Taiwan. So yeah, let's put these on and see if we can get this little issue corrected. Let's do it. Alright, so we're going to start with the tailgate side right here, and that's going to be a T47 on this truck. This has definitely been replaced before, I know, because this is a T47 and over here this is a T45. So keep that in mind. Don't just take what I say for gospel. I have no idea who's replaced what on this thing. I'll stick it in there. It's a star bit. And you're just going to break it loose and unscrew it. Okay, take that off. So right here, you can see on the new one, it's got this little stopper clip. All you're going to do is pull that stopper up to go around that bolt. Just in case it didn't come through on the camera good. So your bolt head is here, the stopper's locking it. We just pulled that out to slide it up over the head, and then the head, this thing came right out. So there's the old one. Oh wait, I forgot. So we need to get this little fitting off here. So we got that off. That's your old cable. You're done with it. Your new cable is going to put in the same way the old one came off. More or less. Should have looked at it a little closer. This will be something like so and like so. Okay. And we're just going to spin that on. And now you can snug this bad boy up. Oy, right about there. And then we're gonna put the top side in. Beep. Okay, so the top side. Okay, so you've got, remember, you have this little tab right here, so pretend this screwdriver is the bolt head. Well, that's not gonna work, it's too big. So pretend the screwdriver is the bolt head, you're just gonna put that, whoop, slide it in place. So it's gonna look, you're gonna have to pick up the tailgate just a little bit. Boom. Okay, now you're up. So now this bad boy is gonna catch so this doesn't just randomly fall off. That side's done, so now this is loose. So I'm guessing that this side was replaced before, or sorry, that side was replaced before because that side's tight. So when we put the new one on the other side, the tailgate will drop a little bit. Okay, we're gonna use our T45. And you're just gonna take the weight off so you don't drop it. Seems how that side's a little bit lower. Boop. There we go. Okay. So now we got the metal washer. Still in good shape. You got your guide thing, lock, whatever, your old cable. On your new cable, you're gonna go the exact opposite way. Put your bolt in, put your guide on, and your washer. And this, I'm gonna pick up the tailgate just a tiny bit. Get the bolt in, see how that flange splits out, and just drop it back down, voila. So as you saw, this is a super easy project that you can do in yourself. Not everybody has the star bits laying around. You might have to go buy one or two, but they're handy to have. Every once in a while you need them, especially on these Fords. There's all kinds of them on there. So super easy job, easy enough, 5 minutes give or take. That includes unwrapping the stupid cables, and you're good to go. You got nice and taut, and we're golden. So if you want to see more, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below, and as well as the baby. So if you liked what you saw and you want to see more, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below so you can see more videos as I submit them. This is, I think, actually the first video I've posted on this truck. There should be more coming. There should be plenty more, as long as I don't buy another one before I get too involved. I got a Town and Country, we got Honda Odyssey stuff, we got Nissan Sentra, Nissan Frontier stuff, we got F-150 stuff, we got all kinds of stuff on this channel. So if you want to check it out, feel free to do so. Leave me a thumbs up, leave me a positive comment, and we'll see you next time. Adios.